This short is on the February 1954 issue of Hop Up and Motor Life. It's road testing the 235 horsepower Chrysler V8. Headers, America's most misunderstood speed equipment. And the complete 1954 road test. But you look on the doors, you have Walt Faulkner, Chuck Stevenson, Bill Vukovich, and the last one I can't quite read. You have Carrera Pan America, so these would be the Mexican road test guys. But at least Chuck Stevenson and Bill Vukovich are very familiar names to car enthusiasts. And it's you got a good looking race team here. Clean cut, all American kind of ties.